Today we've come to Highbridge in Somerset. I don't know about you, I'm curious to look around what's really here. We'll have an in-depth look at the shops. We're starting near the railway station. Here we have the Cooper Arms, an Indian takeaway. That's the Cooper Arms. Here is the station. It's Highbridge and Burnham. This station is good if you want to go to Bristol, okay? And I believe you want to park on here. I believe there's no parking charges, so I'm told. And you want to go to Bristol, it's pretty cheap as well. You can get a ticket here, and we're looking this week to Bristol Temple Meads from Highbridge, and it only costs about £12, £13 return from here in Highbridge to go to Bristol Meads. A day return. We got a magpie. Look at this magpie. Come here. Here's the Cooper Arms, close up. Indian takeaway. Opening soon. On the new management, the pharmacy. And here we've got a bakery. Been there once before when I went to the train station. I think I'll get attention now with the camera. There's the fish bar, Young's Fish Bar, and Maisie's Bakery there. Yummy's, and a DIY place, Highbridge DIY. A shop there called Create You, very creative shop. Of course, one-stop shop. Here we have the Highbridge Community Hall, some nice lights here. Getting ready for Christmas. How do I know it? Christmas tree's up. My first Christmas tree this year I'm seeing. Looking nice. Here we've got a monument. Mayor Frank Foley. Tasty Beats. Tasty Beats. And here, a nice garden area. You can come here and sit and have a pasty. So you can go to the bakery and just sit in this lovely little garden area here. But it looks like someone's calling it home at the moment. Place over there called Almost Anything Bought and Sold. The lock-up. It is locked up, literally. It looks like a couple, or at least one, empty shops. Is that a shop? No, is that a house? Now we've got Amazon Locker and Trev's Local just there. Over here we've got Bradbury House, whatever that is. And over there, accountants. For small businesses, boarded up place. Probably once Italian, by the going off the tap. And a Bucky's for Hill. And barbershop. Here we got K9 Groomers. You can barely see it, but there's a hairdressers. We've got Sandra. Getting ready for Christmas. All Christmas trees, salon. This place boarded up. And the Vault of Gold. Cash for your gold. There on the corner. Some women doing the work. There we've got the sign, Highbridge, and the clock. It is currently 3:30, I think. Something like that. These two dudes sat in the park here. And I think they were looking at us. I'm getting a few looks. Here we found a place called the Sensit Training, Exam Testing Consultancy. I've seen a new housing estate. There's more shops at Highbridge, but I want to check out this housing estate. The housing estate over here, so we're going there now. It's busy. The traffic is busy. There's a lot of roundabouts. And this place here, I don't know what it is. The Purple Spoon. It's a calf catering and event place, it looks like. Window open there. Yeah, it's a cafe. Vegetarian, vegan, Purple Spoon. Dogs welcome, frosty, and opening times there. Nice building. And nice flowers. We're heading past the Gulf towards this housing estate. But look at there's new houses in here at Highbridge. I drove past with a car earlier and they look really nice. Very, very modern, of course. My impressions of Highbridge really is it's a bit rough. Definitely in some places. Some coppers well past us and give us a shifty look. Down there, I see I'm walking now past the purple place. And we've seen this river. Really nice river here. Here's our new houses. Brew Farm. So let's have a look in there. Welcome to Brew Farm. I think that the river we just saw is the River Brew, I think. And we've got a very nice walking track here leading to some nice trees and beyond. Apartments or flats. Here we go, here's some apartments. And I'd say this is a newish estate. You see, here we are walking through the middle of it. Not any cars right now. It doesn't, I mean, it feels like it should be cleaner. And I guess the bins out don't make it look rubbish in the, you know, I think it could be cleaner, this area, this estate. If it's quite new, I'm not sure. See, it's just, it could be cleaner as rubbish on the floor, you know what I mean? It just feels as though it could be tidier, you know, for a newish housing estate. Well, we've come to a dead end, unfortunately. A field and like a caravan compound just there. Golf in Highbridge. A bit empty right now, one person. There's the prices. We've got a spa in there as well. Convenience store. Highbridge used to be a market town apparently. It's on the edge of Somerset Levels. Auto place, car place, garage. Sasso. And we've found something different. We've found Lisa Jane's School of Dance. There we go. If you want some dancing lessons, you come here. We've got a garage, selling a few cars. Not currently open, looks like, but we've got an old Mini over there. Right, here we are, the new houses. If you want to live in Highbridge, I'll show you around these houses a little bit. Currently in construction. We will get as close as we can do to them, and let's get the camera to it there. Walk around this new housing estate. So these are the show homes? No, they're for sale. Yeah. This home will be ready to move by Christmas. It looks like there's people already moved in. For sale, number 11. Reserve number 6. Working there. People living there, so yeah. This has got to be the nicest homes in Highbridge. There's a new roundabout for these homes. This is yeah, Brew Place. A collection of 2, 3, 4 bedroom homes now selling. Really nice. So these are show homes, looks like. 5-star living. Just by the roundabout here. Going towards Bridgewater and Taunton. Show homes over there, so let's have a look. It's pointing over this way. I thought they were the show homes there because they're like super nice. Maybe they used to be the show homes. You can see the lights are on. Show home. So this is a show home. And the sales centre. Yeah, they got show homes there. Okay, now we'll head to the main high street and see what's there. See what's here in Highbridge. Yeah, the Burnham bus comes past here. Highbridge and Burnham-On-Sea. Welcome to Highbridge. How'd you know it? Amazon Prime blocking the road. A bit of traffic. They're always on the move, these Amazon Prime drivers. Blocking the pavements too sometimes. Here we've got a walking track. Looks like public footpath leading to somewhere. The flowing waters of River Brew. This building has seen better days. Look at that. We go this way, Western and Burnham-On-Sea. Okay, we're on the roundabout, the busy roundabout, and we're on the edge of the high street now. So we've got the fishing place, Sophia, police, the gold place, the furniture place looks like, yeah, there we go. So far. Laundrette. If you want to do your laundry in Highbridge, you go there. Well, no comment. Well, we'll try and walk through the scaffolding, and over there, Highbridge, cash and carry. Stationery, household, bed linen, kitchenware, audio, hi-fi and all that. Car park at the rear. Crossing the road is hard work here. We got a hair gallery and a bargain outlet. Coastline, carpets and flooring. Are they still operating? Looks like there's a sign there, so maybe not. Here we have training, LNF training. Training you can trust. Construction training. Hair salon. Father Christmas. See better days. Boarded up. Got a place here called the London Connection. Whatever this is. Interesting. Can we get through here? I don't know. We've got an old house there. Hey, this is crazy. Can we get through? This is Min Bay Restaurant. Well, we'll cross the road. Min Bay Restaurant. You can't really see it. It's like they are getting supplies. There's a house there. Interesting. Yeah. And like a church. But like flats. Yeah, there's Min Bay. Indian takeaway. Chinese and Indian, I think. We got another funeral services. That was, well, that's two now. And another carpets and flooring. And a noisy car. Let's go. We have here Highbridge and Social Club for a bit of snooker, bit of pool, bit of socialising. Nice. Carpets and flooring. We've got the foam workshop, the foam shop, and here another furniture place. Bakery open. And here we got one for you. Fish and chips. Rob's Fish and Chips. There we go. Smelling good. Down there at the end of here I've got Asda, and on the right further up we've got the school. I think it's called Church School. And then you go left, you've got the medical centre at the roundabout. You go left for a bit. Yeah, so they've got a function room. They've got skittles, they've got darts, snooker at a social club. It's just starting to rain a bit now, but I think we've seen most of it. I feel safe walking around. It's just like hectic with all the cars, the traffic. It's definitely run down. It's Highbridge, run down a bit. You can see, you get one van stopped and it just creates this kind of tailback, but it is rush hour for school. From the other side, London Connection. I am getting in the mood to go to London actually, so maybe I'll get a connection to London from there. A lot of fumes, man. Whew. I don't know about clean air around here. If we've got the cash and carry closer up, we've got a few bits and bobs as you see. I've got a padlock and a fencing for the window. There we go. A few bits and bobs. On the side there, Chinese takeaway, 111 Church Street. Nice looking place. I wouldn't know it's takeaway apart from that sign. Stands out. This used to be Cleo's. You see the sign there, a calf was it? Something like that. But now under revamp, construction, or whatever. Look at it, it needs a bit of work. Got a place here, it says coffee shop on the first floor and all kinds of furniture inside. Looks nice and cozy actually. Yeah. Nice and cozy. Gold and silver coins. So what do I think of Highbridge? Well, it's a bit dirty, it's a bit run down, but I don't feel safe walking around pretty much. And I think it's alright. It's alright. Oh, here we are, see. I want to see this car over there. It looks sporty. Let's get a closer look at it. There's someone shouting here. These two a bit rowdy. That's a classic looking Ford, isn't it? Nice and clean. Low profile. Very low to the ground. Epic. Look at the tyres. Wow. You alright? There's two girls just they're a bit rowdy, you know. I walked past them and I think they were under a substance, drinking or something. They're just walking around the street kind of shouting, whatever, but sound happy in a way. I think we've walked and seen everything there is to see and do here in Highbridge. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video interesting, you want to see more like this walking around Somerset towns or other towns or places in the UK, subscribe and like the video. Peace.